today we are going to do some dragon makeup. I made this out of clay. There is a video on my TikTok if you want to see how I did it. It's air foam clay, so it's pretty flexible. If everything goes well, I'll just be able to glue it on after I cut it to make it fit. Also made some little cheek thingies to give me some cheeky cheeks. So we're going to take off this makeup and just block my brows and then start gluing things to my face.
I'm just blocking my brows with some glue here.
Ridiculous right now, but we are gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take some wax and kind of melt this into the skin in a couple of places, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and start painting. I'm gonna lay down a base paint color of red, and then I will be back.
Enjoy this like 5-second clip of me just painting myself red with my airbrush, and we're just gonna paint the whole thing red. So just spray.
Now I'm gonna take this stencil and kind of lay it like this, and then spray paint down the center of my chest like a dragon. I'm gonna mix red and black to get a darker shade, and then I will be doing scales elsewhere. Done that part, and then I've done a little bit of shading on here. Now I'm gonna go in with some pigment and just dust over everything so it doesn't move as I'm shading with liquid eyeshadows, not liquid eyeshadows, Mayron paints. I am dumb. I'll be right back.
Okay, so here is me just adding some pigment. It's just a red pigment over top of the red powder, just to make everything shade a little bit better, and then the paint will lay better on top of it.
I'm just going to shade a little around the prosthetics to make it blend in, just a little bit before we start shading them and painting them.
Just shading here with some black.
So I'm going to go shade in these little crevices with some black, and I'll do the cheeks too, and then I'm going to try to imitate some of that down through here, and then I'm going to make this scale part redder and whiter. Looking a little crazy, but I'm going to go take the black and just do some scales out here, and then I'm going to add my finishing touches, and I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Bye!